Before we start, I want you to relax. This is not a test. I'm not going to ask you difficult grammar questions. You do not need perfect English. Today, we are just going to practice speaking English together. That's it. So if you are nervous, shy, or scared of making mistakes, this video is for you. And one important thing, don't just listen to me, speak with me. Even if your English is not perfect, even if your pronunciation is not perfect, just speak. Because the goal today is not perfection. The goal is comfort. Okay? Take a deep breath and let's start speaking English together. Let's start with a warm-up. We'll start with very easy sentences. Listen first, then repeat after me. Ready? Hello, how are you? Your turn. I'm doing good today. I feel a little nervous, but I want to improve my English. That is why I'm here. Good. Now let's make it a little more natural. Repeat after me. Today, I decided to practice English. Your turn. I know I'll improve slowly. I do not need perfect English. I just need practice. Very good. See, you are already speaking English. Now let's talk about you. I'll ask simple questions. After each question, you should reply. If you need more time, pause the video and answer in English. Even small answers are okay. Ready? What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do every day? What is your favorite food? What do you usually do in the morning? Good. Now let's make longer answers together. Repeat after me. My name is Nauran and I'm trying to improve my English. Your turn. I usually wake up early in the morning. I enjoy learning new things. Sometimes English feels difficult, but I'll continue. Excellent. Now let's practice real life English. Imagine we are friends talking casually. Repeat after me. I'm feeling a little tired today. I had a busy day. I want to relax tonight. I spent too much time on my phone today. I need to sleep earlier. Good. Now let's continue naturally. Sometimes I don't feel motivated. Your turn. But I still want to improve myself. I know small practice is better than no practice. I'm proud that I'm trying. That last sentence is important. Repeat it one more time. I'm proud that I'm trying. Okay, now let's have a simple conversation together. Imagine I'm your friend. Yes, I'm your friend. Okay, I'll speak first, then you answer. Ready? How was your day today? What made you happy today? Did anything stress you today? What do you want to do tomorrow? What is one thing you want to improve in your life? Very good. Now repeat these natural sentences with me. My day was good, but I felt tired. Your turn. One thing that made me happy was relaxing. I want to improve my English and become more confident. I know improvement takes time. But I'll not give up. Excellent. Now let's do something powerful. I want you to look around your room. What do you see? Maybe a chair, maybe a phone, maybe a window. Describe it in English. I'll help you. Repeat after me. My phone is next to me. Your turn. The room is quiet. Your turn. I'm sitting and practicing English. The weather feels nice today. This is how you start thinking in English. Simple sentences, daily life, no pressure. Now, before you leave, look around you and write 3 full English sentences in the comments about what you see around you right now, like we practiced earlier. Now it's your turn. Thank you for practicing with me today, and remember, you do not become fluent by only watching videos. You become fluent by speaking. Even small practice matters. So keep going. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.